How to change Facebook profile to digital creator. In order to do so, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you open Facebook, head towards the top right corner where you can see 3-line icon. Click on it. After that, click on the first option that will take you to your profile page. After your profile page opens, click on the 3-dot icon that's on the right hand side of your screen. After that, simply click on Turn on Professional Mode. After that, this page will appear where you have to tap on Turn On option. After you click on the Turn On button, this page will appear where you have to click on Continue. That's on the bottom of the screen. After that, you'll be taken over to this page where you have to scroll downwards where you can find an option called Add Details About Yourself. You have to click on that. After, you have to go towards Category where you have to type out Digital Creator. Once you do that and choose your category as Digital Creator, you have to simply click on Save. This way, you have turned your Facebook profile into Digital Creator. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.